Good morning, friends. Today I'm very disappointed from Flipkart. So I'm going to show you what they delivered on 13th April, and it's not proper working actually at that at the time of delivery. Means looks like it means I have ordered Thomson 30105 desert air cooler, but here you are saying this is not working. Here पंखा जो इससे सट रहा है इनसाइड, ये मैंने सपोर्ट गाई के कहने पे खोला। ये मैं आप देख सकते हो इसमें कि ये मूव भी नहीं कर रहा है, ये टकरा रहा है आपस में। और यहाँ लिखा हुआ है टेस्टेड ओसी ओके। थम्स अब मुझे ये चीज़ ये मैंने ये ऑर्डर किया था जो मैं आपको अभी शो करा रहा हूँ सर। नाउ डिलीवरी नॉट deliverable in your location, means pin code not serviceable. We already have purchased. After purchasing these things, here return rejected, and return policy valid till 7th May. Today is just 6th May. But why I'm late uploading this video and all those, I will tell you later. Order cancellation and return policy. I am checking everything, but if a product is not working in front of the delivery agent when it get delivered, and same time this is my tax invoice. If you see here, this is here. See when I recording and when this is my order status update. Initially a lot of issues with these things actually. जैसे 27 को मैंने ऑर्डर किया था, फिर 27 को इन्होंने आइटम शिप हो गया, नियरेस्ट आउट फॉर डिलीवरी हुआ, फिर सम इश्यूज हुआ, फिर सम, एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव कम्युनिकेटेड विद द फ्लिपकार्ट सपोर्ट गाइज. So you can see here I have tracked my order and everything. Here if you see here, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे इन्होंने मुझे बोला कि ये अनफॉर्चुनेटली ड्यू टू लॉजिस्टिक इशूज दे आर फेसिंग सम इशूज to not deliver and everything. When I ask get the delivery agent delivery number, they will give, and but I think I have tried a lot of times. Even I connected with supporting guy, but they give me Bengali. Here not mention कि here Hindi or English is, why Hindi English is not over there. So if you see here, means like आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट डिफेक्टिव था, प्रोडक्ट इवन नॉट इन फ्रंट ऑफ डिलीवरी एजेंट, but why they are not accepted, I don't know. At the same time I have done all those things, but वो माने ही नहीं. This is the thumb, means my full, this is shipping and everything actually. original Flipkart. This is a model number tested. If it tested, then why it's not working? If quality check everything is checked by Flipkart, then why it's not working? It should be work now. So here, if you see, इवन डिलीवरी एजेंट भी मुझसे ये कहता रहा कि मैं उनसे बोला कि ये आप तो ही इज ऑल्सो टॉकिंग विथ हिज मैनेजर मैनेजर कि प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट वर्किंग बट मैनेजर ऑल्सो रिजेक्ट ऑल दोज थिंग्स. I have also told like it's a broken and damaged product. It's not working. Even I have sent all images related to this, but see here. Even I have tried to replace, but they not accept it. Here, glamour and all those things. I don't know. Okay, why it's just even I told him you can also contact with the delivery agent. They said what happened, but they ignored everything. They ignored. Even आई हैव ट्राई टू मीन्स मैंने बताया भी कि व्हील्स इसके ये हैं अंदर के मूव नहीं कर रहे हैं ये वो. इन्होंने मुझसे बोला कि प्लीज़ टेक ए स्क्रीन शॉट ऑफ दिस हाउ टू ओपन एट द सेम टाइम. मीन्स इट्स रात के 9:41 हो रहा था. मैं कैसे चैट भी करूँ और फ़ोटो भी खींचूँ और कूलर को ओपन करके इनको फ़ोटो भी दूँ. बोथ एक्चुअली आई यू कैन ऑल्सो मतलब मैंने ये सारी चीज़ लिखा कि आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हो डिलीवरी एजेंट से. इवन मैं यहाँ से कर रहा हूँ. मैंने 8 times 2 times many times I have called him Flipkart support guys and delivery agent, but this is the my order update status mail. So these things if you can see, so here Thomson 105 L digit aircraft. Yeah, this is the actually main things. They have told me after this key 3rd May they will resolve the problem, but what happened next 2 days already wasted and no reply from customer support. So that's why I'm making this video to can everyone means like so दोस्तों मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ.